Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got friend mail. I'm so excited. This came all the way to me from Canada. I'm so excited. And this is the envelope. I did cut it open to get it started. And this is from a dear subscriber, Kittie Drager. And she told me that she made me something, and I can see it a little bit in there because I had to cut this. But she told me that she forgot to put the card inside, so she put it under this flap. So I do see that. So I'm going to take it out. Here's the card, and read the card. It says, "To my dearest Mary, I hope this finds you happy and healthy." How sweet. That's such a pretty card, too. Look at that envelope. I mean, the envelope is beautiful, too. All right, let me open that. Whoops. I have met Kittie through YouTube, and y'all, a lot of y'all have become such good friends. I just really love y'all so much. This is a beautiful card, Kittie. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. I love the border and everything, and it says, "Unto us a son is given," and it is Isaiah 9:6. And inside it says, "The blessings of peace, the beauty of hope, the spirit of love, the comfort of faith. May this be your gift this Christmas and throughout the year. Sending love, Kittie." It's sort of private what she has said, so I'm gonna not say that. Okay. I really appreciate and love you too, Kittie. I really do. Like I said, I have become friends with a lot of y'all, and y'all mean a great deal to me. So this was written to Mary, Smudge, and Blue. Thank you so much, Kittie. That's beautiful. And I will be, yes, that's beautiful. Okay. All right. Like I said, I did cut this, so I can sort of see in there, and it looks really pretty. I'm excited. I'm excited. All right. This, Kittie said that she made this for me. So let me get it out. Oh, it's just, oh, wow. It's beautiful. All right. Hang on. Let me get, there's a lot of nice stuffing in here, which is good to keep it safe and all. Well, and I will reuse this for packaging, for sending things out. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so beautiful. This is going to go right. I'm going to find a spot for it because I'm not a good decorator, y'all. I mean, you know, maybe a little bit, but not really. Oh, this is beautiful, y'all. All right. This is what, all right, there's more. There's some glitter. Uh-oh, here comes rotten. All right, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. I have, this is the main thing. Look at how beautiful that is. It says, "Holly and Jolly." This is beautiful, Kittie. Thank you so much. I love wreaths, y'all, and this is beautiful. Look at the gold tree, and there's sparkles. All right, hang on, Smudge. There's sparkles all over the table. Glitter and sparkles. All right, there's a snowman over here. How cute is that with a present? Smudge, you like that? There's a snowman over here with a present. This is beautiful. And these beautiful silver poinsettia. It's a little disheveled because it's been in the package, but I'll floof it up a little bit. And that beautiful bow. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's gorgeous, Kittie. You know, y'all, who doesn't like presents? But homemade stuff is my favorite. It really is. I think it just touches your heart, doesn't it, when someone makes something for you? Because while they're making it for you, they're thinking of you. And I just love that. This got a little smashed. Oh, it pops right up. Okay, good. So I'll give it a little floof, and I'm going to hang it up back there. I'm going to find a good spot for it. Thank you, Kittie. I just love it. I just love it. Okay, come on, boys. Sit down. There's a few other little things. Okay, love, come on through. Let me open these up and see. Okay, this, all right. This is beautiful. This is a bookmark, and look at how nice this bookmark is. First of all, let me take it out of the shiny paper so you can see it. It is a magnifier. See how that is? It'll magnify your words. So this is great for like reading the Bible. And it says, "The Lord will guide you always," Isaiah 58:11. It's got a little of the glitter on it, but I'll get that off. Oops. Okay, y'all right? The boys are jumping and all. And then this beautiful ribbon. And then here at the end of the ribbon is a shell. Isn't that beautiful? So it's a really pretty bookmark. And there's a hummingbird on there. There's flowers and things like that. There's a lighthouse. So guiding you through the sea and everything. And, you know, the Lord guides us. And I love that it is, let me see if I can hear a few. magnifies the words. See how that is? So if you're having trouble reading, I love that, Kitty. That's beautiful. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is so sweet. And there's this bag. Now, Kitty lives in Canada. Oh, this is so cool. Now, I'm not up on things, y'all. So, oh, his ear. Oh, well, this is a moose. His horn fell off. But this is, all right, there's Canada. There's a Canada t-shirt on. This is an ornaments. And this, what is this called? I know what this is, but I can't remember what it's called. It's when you've got these heavy things and you shuffle on the ice with this thing and then that thing moves. Isn't it an Olympic, it's an Olympic thing. Is it a big Canada thing? Kitty, I'm sorry, I'm behind on this stuff. But I remember watching that, the winter, when I was a kid, the Winter Olympics, were on, when they were on, like our TV was on at home. My dad wanted us to watch it and everything. And I loved all the winter sports. So this, see, they do this, like, it's like a broom kind of thing. And then this thing moves along the ice, and I'm not quite, it depends on how far it goes. It's heavy. I really don't know what it's even called, but that is a moose from Canada. See his little Canada t-shirt. I love that. Thank you, Miss Kitty. That's so cute. And then there is this item. This is adorable. It says seasonal goods, Christmas house on it, on the bag right there. This is a little memo book with pen, it says. Let me open it. Smush. He's over here making a mess. Okay, look how cute that is, y'all. If you can see the kitten sort of, it's like a 3D, and it has a cute little pen, and it has all these cute pages in here. I love notebooks, so I will be using this. It's Pet Pals, and it's a little Santa kitty. Oh, and he's 3D. I love that. That's adorable. Thank you so much, Miss Kitty. The next time you see me, well, give me a little bit this weekend. I'm not going to say the next time you see me. This weekend I'll get this up because I have to find just the right spot for it back there. And I have to keep it away from the boys because they will attack it and destroy it. And thank you so, Miss Kitty, you've really touched my heart. Thank you so much. I love it. It's beautiful. I love all the silver and gold. Do y'all remember from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? That was one of my favorite cartoons as a kid. Earl, what is his name? Now it just went out of my head. I can't remember his name, y'all. Oops, sorry, I just moved the camera. Anyway, the snowman at the beginning, Burl Ives. Burl Ives has this fabulous voice. Of course, if you're a young person, you're not going to know who I'm talking about. But he sings a song, Silver and Gold, about friendship. And that's what this reminds me of, all this beautiful silver and gold on here. And my friendship with Miss Kitty. Thank you so much, Miss Kitty, all the way from Canada. I love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much. Y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing my beautiful friend mail. And thank you so much, Kitty. I really love it. Thank you so much, y'all. And have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.